Hi all, welcome to Die.3D Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we'll see how to make Raspberry Pi computer that can be used for daily usage, like for internet browsing or watching movies. Okay, for that purpose, you can make a very simple computer that can be used with any screen you want. For example, you want to use a computer screen, or you want to use a TV, or any screen is available anywhere. You can use that for your display, and you can do whatever work you want to do in that. So you can say this is like a simple portable computer that can carry in your pocket, like it's a small size one. So for this build I'm using Raspberry Pi 3 B plus model. So so depend on your choice, you can pick any one you want Pi 4 or Pi 3. Okay, I'm using this Raspberry Pi 3 B plus. Okay, so this is the Raspberry Pi. So I already installed the heatsink on it. Okay, so default means when you buy it won't come with this heatsink, so you need to add it, otherwise it will give some error, like some error it will show. Okay, so because of the heat, so you add this aluminum so that heatsink, so it will work well without any problem. So you can see here this have a HDMI port, and you can see for USB connections, and you can see the network cable directly you can connect, and this will have inbuilt Wi-Fi, so you can connect to Wi-Fi also. And so you can see this is the USB cable for powering up. Okay, and you can connect the camera and all here. Okay, and this have audio out. Okay, so that's it. So first what we need to do is we need to take one memory card. Okay, the memory card you need to install some OS. Okay, so you need to install OS in this. So let's see, download that OS and we can install. So it's very simple process. Just I'll show you how you can import, you can download that software, and how you can write. Okay, this is quite similar to like Windows. So now we need to download the Raspbian OS. For that we need to search for the Raspbian OS. So it will go to the particular website. So I'm just searching Raspbian OS. So you can see here raspberry.org. So there you can see the OS. So you can see the three types of available here. So the one is Lite, the Raspbian Buster Lite. It is for the experienced user who are very good in commands and all. So there will be no graphical user interface, so it will be difficult for the beginners. That's the reason I'm going to use this Raspbian Buster with the desktop, so that it is quite similar to like Windows, so you can see the graphical user interface and you can use it easily. So that's the reason I'm using this. So I will download this. Once it is downloaded, I'll be back. So it is downloaded now, so you can see here. So it's downloaded, so that you need to extract. So you will get this folder. So inside this you can find this image. So to burn this image we need another software that is called Etcher, Balena Etcher. So you can search in Google. So it will take you to this Balena software, Etcher software. So you can see here there is a button here, download. So you just click and download. Okay, so just click and download. So you can say download. I think I already have this one. So yeah, I think I have it. I'm not downloading it. So what you need to do is now you can open this Balena Etcher. Okay. Say agree. So it will open like this. So now what you need to do is you need to insert your memory card in card reader and connect to the computer. So you can see I'm just connecting it. So it is detected. So first what you need to do is you need to format this. Okay, so or else directly what you can do is you can directly use the software itself, automatically it will do. So you just select the so you can find this image file, open, then you just say click on flash, say yes, so it will take little time to do this one. So once it is done, I'll be back. Once it is completed, you'll be getting some kind of errors like this. Okay, so don't worry. So you can see this format disk and all will come, so just ignore it. Okay, just wait for some time. These errors are common, so just wait for some time. So it is validating. Once it is done, so okay, so just wait for that. So once it is validated, so we can take out the USB and we'll connect the Raspberry Pi to any display device and we'll see. Okay,
so here what I did, I installed the memory card here, then I connected the mouse and keyboard here, and I'm connecting to a monitor with the help of this HDMI, and I'm powering through USB cable, so that I'm going to connect here, because mainly I'm planning for a portable PC where I can take anywhere I want. So that's the reason I'm just using this power bank. So what I'll do, I'll just switch on the monitor first, then I'll connect the power here. So yeah, I'll connect and I'll show you. So this I am connecting to a die monitor which I created in a previous video. If you want to check, I will leave the links in description. You can check how to make a die monitor from an old laptop. So yeah, so I connected with HDMI, so I need to change the input connection to HDMI. So just change this to HDMI now. So now what I will do, I will power on the Raspberry Pi. So as it is the first time, it will be asking this, like, so we just go to next, then it will be asking what country where you are, like, so I'm from India, so let's check India. So time zone Kolkata, fine, so you can set it. Say next.
So it is asking a password, so you can keep any password you want. So system is updated now. I'll just say okay. So it will be asking for restart, so let's restart once and see. So now we can see the desktop here. Like file browser, like in Windows. So you can see browser is open. So you can use it as usual like earlier. So you can open whatever you want. So it is quite similar, so you can use it any way you want. Just you want to open the view. So this is a video I'm saying like okay, I built a monitor from an older laptop to so you can install this LibreOffice so to work with documents and Excel and all. So you can install this LibreOffice in Pi and you can work with it, and you can also play some games here. I have installed here Minecraft. Okay, so you can install and you can play these games, and some other games also available. So you can play these games and you can use it for your office work also. So it can be used in many ways, entertainment and office work, internet browsing and all, you can use it. Okay, so I 3D printed this case so that I can keep my Raspberry Pi inside this, so it's kind of like a protective and safe. So and I also added a fan. So this is also the top cover of the 3D printed part, and
so this will go like this. So here I added a fan. So this is the 30 fan, and this connection is very simple. Just see, you leave one pin and connect. So make sure this side is positive, other side is negative. So 2 and 3 pins you need to connect to fan. So depend on the connector you have, just positive should come this side, negative should go that side. Okay, so now you can place this one here. Or you can buy, no need to print also, but I have 3D printer, that's why I printed. Or else ready-made cases will be available for this particular model. You can buy that and you can keep it inside. So like this you have to close. So this is a small CPU you have, you can take it anywhere you want. So it's very simple, just you connect. Using HDMI you can connect to any display device you want, you can connect. And see, if you want in future, if you want webcam or something, see here there is a dedicated port for the camera, so you can connect here. Okay, so you can connect. For the audio, through HDMI also audio will come, or else sometimes you have to use VGA. So I'll show you how to connect the VGA also. So if it is coming through the HDMI and that monitor have speakers, so no problem. Or if it is a TV, absolutely no problem, you can use it. And sometimes if that device does not have any speakers, so in that case you can use this audio jack, so you can connect to your speakers or headphones, anything you have. So both, so like this. So now it's ready, you can connect to any device you want. So I'll show you whatever devices at my home it is available, I'll connect to all and I'll show you. And I'll show you, like, see, we know that this option is there, like HDMI you can connect. So some devices, for example like old monitors, if you want to connect, so for that you should have a separate cable. So in case if the display device does not have a HDMI port, so if you want to connect this, so just buy this cable. This is like HDMI to VGA connector. So using this you can connect to almost all. So just you should have only 2 cables, one is HDMI, another one is like this converter, so that you can use any device for your computer. So it's very easy, just connect this one this side here, and you should have another cable to connect from this side to a monitor. So this is very simple, and you can use the regular keyboard if you are using at home, or else you can buy like combination of both. So like mini keyboard with the touchpad, you can use that. Okay, so now what I will do, I will connect to all the devices available at my home, and I'll show you this. So this is very simple, you can carry anywhere you want, and you can connect to any device you have. So one is HDMI, so nowadays it's common, all the devices will have HDMI. In case if it does not have HDMI cable, so you can use this HDMI to VGA cable and you can connect, and you can use it like a computer. And you can buy a mini keyboard which is having keyboard and touchpad like a laptop, so you can use that. So that will make things so it's very simple. This is the computer, you can carry anywhere, it's just like a pocket size. You can keep it in pocket, bag, transportation also very easy. Okay, so now I will connect to all the devices I have. Okay, so I'll show you that. So earlier I connected with HDMI. The die monitor have both the ports, like HDMI and VGA, both ports are available. Just want to show you how this cable works. So it will just convert the HDMI to VGA, so you can use this VGA port also. So you can see so this I connected with VGA and I connected to my die monitor. So next I will connect to my computer screen, means I have a 22-inch monitor, so I will connect to that and I'll show you. So now I connected to my computer monitor. You can see here, this is 22-inch monitor. Okay, so I can use this also.
So this I connected with HDMI. Okay, so this have inbuilt speaker. So let's play something. So this have inbuilt speakers, so I don't need to connect any external speakers for this. So in case if the monitor does not have speakers, so you can connect to audio jack and you can get the sound. Okay, so yeah, this is clear, and this will be bigger for working and all. That's fine. So next I will connect to my TV and I'll show you. Welcome. Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll see how to make an both